Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make a paper bag with handles that looks just like this. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of space inside of the bag. So let's get right into the video. To make the bag, all you'll need is a square piece of paper, and if you don't know how to get a square piece of paper, you can look at my tutorial on how to make a square piece of paper out of printer paper. And the other thing that you're going to need is a pair of scissors, and you're only going to need these scissors once. So for the first part, you won't be needing your scissors here, so you can put them aside. So to get started, you're going to take your paper and you're going to put the white side up. Next, you're going to fold one diagonal or one corner to the opposite corner, just like that. Make sure to be precise, otherwise your bag won't be very triangular. So now that you've got this, you're going to put the top corner upwards. Now you're going to fold this top corner down, but you're not going to crease. You're only going to leave a little marking on the side or in the middle. Now that you've got this little marking, you're going to take your bottom right corner right over here, and you're going to fold it towards that marking. Next, you're going to take your other corner and you're going to fold it to the opposite side. Now, you're going to fold, now you're going to fold your paper in half from up to down. So you're going to fold it half from up to down. Now you've got this little line here, and you're going to take a piece of scissors here in this part, and you're going to cut right here, all the way to the bottom, and you're going to cut right there. And make sure to cut all the way to the bottom of this line right here. So, yeah. Now you're going to open the paper back up, and you're going to you're going to take this flap, take only one of the flaps in front, and you should there should be a little pocket right here. As you can see, there's a pocket here for me. And then you can take one of your flaps and fold it right into that pocket. And you're going to push the flap back. And now your paper should be locked. It shouldn't open up. Next, you're going to take the opposite side and just fold it downwards. Just as so. And bam! You're done with your perfectly nice and teeny bag with handles, and you can actually store things in there. So you can store tiny scraps or whatever you'd like. Butter. I really do hope you enjoyed this super simple tutorial on how to make a paper bag with flaps. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.